All right, so I have 4 of those cans of Herculiner. Let's see, 15-ounce cans. So it's a little bit bigger than your average paint can. It's my 4th coat that I've done on here. It's still a little wet. It'll dry a little bit more of a flatter color. It's got lots of reflections. I've already done the bottom with like 1 coat, but it doesn't matter because, well, it's the bottom. The bottom's been painted. You're not going to be staring at it. It's going to have some rubber feet it's going to be sitting on. This Herculiner stuff turned out pretty good. It took a lot to build up. Kind of had to learn how to actually apply it. I did the whole inside of the box too. Not as critical on the sides because the speakers are going to be covering that up. But I did quite a few more coats on the inside because that's what's going to be seen through the plexiglass. This looks fantastic. It's going to look sharp. So either way, I'm going to order some of the, what do you call it? The T-nuts from Parts Express. Hardware store wants a lot of money for some, what do they call them, rib nuts or whatever. The T-nuts. Because we're going to be putting, yeah, in the other video too, I did say I might have had to sand down these for the frames. I did, to give me that little bit of extra clearance, because this gap is about an 1/8 inch bigger than the width of the walnut panel. That way I got some wiggle room. It's just going to kind of float in there, so I'll have to shim it. I'm not sure what I'm going to use for shims, but I will shim this thing once I install the walnut panel, and then we will, what do you call it? I'll start drilling the holes and stuff and setting everything out. Once the holes are drilled, I'll drill out the holes for the rib nuts. They'll be installed into this back channel. That way this whole panel will suck itself to it. And then there'll be that little foam, like 1/4 inch foam seal. This is looking great though. I have to start doing some of my small projects with some bedliner. Gives it a nice tough exterior. The consistency of the roughness too makes it look nice. So that's spray on Herculiner out of a can. Not quite as rough as the, what was it? You have like the quart or the gallon size that you roll on. That's got actual like rubber chunks in it. For $13 a can times 4, I guess I could have ordered the stuff off of Parts Express. I think it's like $60 for a gallon. And then you roll that stuff on. That looks pretty good too. Well, it's nice with the rattle can. It's quick, convenient, it's easy. It gets into all sorts of stuff on the inside of the box. So yeah, so you had to spray paint, you know, more than just 6 sides. Came to this box. Anyways, guys, the next step will be starting over there. Got a fresh sheet of MDF. We're making the subwoofer enclosure, and that should have a removable face panel as well, with walnut and the ports built into it. It's going to look pretty cool because I want them to match as close as possible. So bedlinered on the outside, down firing subwoofer. The face panel is going to have a piece of walnut with the ports built in and bolted on with the seal again. So same concept. Like it. Later, guys. We're going to try to drag this thing out in the sun. Still pretty wet. Just get you an idea. And take some pictures. It's looking fancy. What'd you think, puppy? Yeah. All right. Later, YouTube.